All right, my people, welcome back onto this one. Still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is. Well, onto this one, waiting for Yoruba Nation mega rally. Yet majority of people cannot wait. When is that time? That has been the question. What time? What is the date? That is the question in the minds of majority of people. Well, with the news reaching us right now from the right source, Yoruba Nation Mega Rally is just very close. In fact, it can be declared any moment. And then, a lot of things are actually being said onto this. I love what the people are actually doing. God's time is the best, according to one of my friends. We tell you, God's time is the best. And then, in the Bible, the disciples of Jesus Christ were like, Lord, when are you coming back? And he says, I don't know the hour nor the time, but the only one who knows the hour nor the time is his Father, the God Almighty. And exactly the same thing that is happening to Yoruba Nation Mega Rally right now. Nobody knows the hour, nobody knows the time, but definitely it will come. And that's exactly what had been gathered from one of the Yoruba Nation agitators, from a right source, so to say. The Yoruba Nation agitators have made up their minds that they don't know who is who, that anything that will be done henceforth will not be disclosed to anyone, simply because right now, as we speak, we have a lot of fake Yoruba agitators who are just spies. They are coming there to make money, to work for politicians, to get money from politicians, to get informations from politicians. And then this time around, the original Yoruba Nation agitators, according to what had been gathered from them, have made us understand that nothing, nothing will make them to release any statement to anyone, because we don't know who is who. Meaning, if they have about 10 things that they are to say, it will be Awo Mosino Mosikun. 8 will be Awo Mosino Mosikun. Then the remaining 2, you people can hear it, so that you know that they are serious and exactly what we are doing right now. Nobody knows the hour nor the time, but the mega rally shall come to pass. And then, according to the agitator, why I just laughed, he said a lot of things that it might sound funny, but it's just the truth. It's just the truth. According to him, he said, try as much as possible to jẹ ewédú, jẹ ewé, mu omi tó bá lè mu omi, jẹ ewédú tó bá lè jẹ ewédú, jẹ ẹ̀fọ́ lọ́jọ́ yẹn tó bá lè jẹ ẹ̀fọ́, because on that mega rally, no be joke, no be small something. And then right now, the Yoruba Nation agitators have made up their minds that in this mega rally, everybody must do the needful. Yes, anything you can eat, eat. If it is water that can make you strong, be strong on that day. If it is a vegetable, you understand what we mean. They are talking about you fortifying yourselves on that day. Because this information that had been going around about the Fulani, they have said it that on that day, that the Yoruba Nation agitators should prepare themselves, because many things will go wrong. So I know, we have heard a lot of informations that these Fulanis are actually trying to put fears in the minds of the people. But that notwithstanding, the people themselves are not children. Yes, that's exactly the information that has reached us. All right, so, and then according to what had been gathered, it says, let us prove to the world that we are not lazy. Prepare yourself, prepare for the mega rally. Rally that will shake the whole of the world. Yes, and then according to him, said the Igbo people are saying the Yorubas are lazy. And then this time around, the Yoruba Nation agitator is making us to understand that we should let them know that we, the Yorubas, are not lazy. That is another serious one. That the Yorubas are not lazy. That day, the Yoruba people will come out in their numbers. Yes, so and on that day, it has been said that there shouldn't be any form of obstruction. Don't just think you want to come and disturb these people from having their mega rally, because on that day you will just find yourself to be blamed. In fact, you go blame yourself. All right, so according to what had been said, yes, let these people, the people are God fearing, calm people, focused people. So let these people on their own, let them do what they have to do. Nobody should come out to say you want to disturb them. And exactly what the people have said, that if you think you have two heads, you can come, but waiting your eye go see, make you take her like that. Well, Yoruba Nation, no going back, and exactly what it is. Yoruba Nation agitator finally ready. That all the agitators are finally ready. And then, according to what I've been gathered, it has been said that these agitators are not going to relent in their efforts. There will never be any form of going back. In case you are thinking these people will say, oh, they are tired. No, the real agitators are ready. Now, we have sent out a lot of fake agitators' phone numbers. Yes, I've sent out like 3 or 4 over the month, and I just sent out one, not quite long, for the benefit of people who have been saying send us those traitors numbers so that they can talk sense into their head. That's another one. Well, this one is a very strong one that is very important. The Yoruba Nation agitators have made us understand that on that day, let us all come out in our numbers like a multitude. That when they see the crowd, the multitude of people that will be coming out on that day, how many you want key? Then they will know that these people are not joking. And then our numbers will determine that we are getting our nation. That's another one that has been said, that let us be many. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a pọ̀ lọ́jọ́ tá à ń sọ yìí. Kí àwọn ènìyàn kí wọ́n pọ̀ lọ́pọ̀ janturu. Tó bá pọ̀ lọ́pọ̀ janturu, ìyẹn gangan ló máa fún wa ní ìdánilójú wípé a máa gba Yorùbá Nation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Alright, and then according to what had been gathered, it had also been said that everyone should come out in white dresses on that day. White, white, white on that day. Let everybody come out in white, white, white. White signifies peace. That the Yoruba Nation agitators are not coming to fight anyone on that day of mega rally. And that mega rally had been defined as a mega rally that will shake the whole world. It had been tagged one that will shake the whole world, and then everybody will know that there is a nation called Yoruba Rally. And then meanwhile, he says there are 3 things that need to be put in place. In fact, if you are coming for that mega rally, according to what we have here, 3 things have been listed, which are very important on that day. Number one thing is what they told us is everyone who is coming for that mega rally should be courageous. You must be bold to be there. If you know you are not bold, then don't bother. You must be courageous that this mega rally we are coming for, forget it. We must get it. Yes. And then the second thing is determination. You must be determined that you are getting your nation. Yes, so determination is the second one. And then the third one is the Yoruba Nation flag. In fact, you must not miss it. That day, everybody must be with that flag, Yoruba nation flag. And then no, I need to come again on that part which talked about the population. Let the crowd, let these people plenty, make una plenty for this mega rally. When they see crowd, themselves will be say they want come attack, then go run. Because now how many key people they want key. And that one come be say if una gun go fit penetrate them, oh, if you no know now, make you know. Yes, so and then according to me says taba tú jáde lọ́lọ́pọ̀ yanturu òmìnira wa ó fi sure ni o. Yes, meaning when we come out in multitude, when we have a lot of crowd, then our actualization will be certain, because when the people will come in their numbers, then they will understand. In fact, anyone who wants to attack will be scared. In fact, fear will grip the heart of such a person, because if the population descend on them, then they will understand. Yeah, everything we are talking here, you think we are just joking, but there's no joke about this. We are just telling everybody the reality, and then that's exactly what it is. We are saying reality here. And it had been gathered that that mega rally is not the kind of mega rally that everybody will come and they go back that day. No. That this mega rally, we will remain there. If it's going to take us 1 week, we'll be there. If it's going to take us 2 weeks, we shall remain there until Yoruba nation is actualized. And meanwhile, it has been gathered that there will be food, a lot to eat, a lot to drink on that day. If you have your pot, you can also bring. If you have food stuff, bring. But definitely, there will be a lot of drinks, there will be a lot of food on that day. My brother, my sister, no be small thing. Oh. In fact, it's becoming interesting right now. Well, Yoruba Nation, no going back, and exactly what the days. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.